What's the meaning of afterward? Afterward. 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 Afterward is an adverb that indicates an action or event that occurs following some other action or event. The word is often used to describe a consequence that arises as a result of something that occurred previously. For example, if you eat a large meal, afterward you might feel full and sluggish. Similarly, if you exercise, afterward you might feel energized and refreshed. In short, afterward refers to the outcome of a preceding action or event. Whether positive, negative, or neutral,